trapping through the pain. Kush smoke in my veins, still stay on my hip. Bands flipping every play. From trailers to the top, I'm dodging all the fakes. Catch me any day, still running all these fades. Let me tell you about my story, shit ain't bloody, but it's gory. Had a hard ass life, started scrapping as a shorty. 14, my first 40, 15, my first case. 16, I'm making plays, and then I did the race. 18, I'm big, trapping his bands all in a safe. I press them with that pistol, it's steel all in their face. Grew up in them trailers, but mansions on the way. Can't stay where I was raised, cause Cushies be the gang. Shots to mark for them niggas, make the play. Catch us any day, we always running fades. Trapping through the pain, Kush smoke in my veins. Tanks still stay on my hip, bands flipping every play. From trailers to the top, I'm dodging all the fakes. Catch me any day, still running long. 19, I'm still wild, always on the move. Holla tip the clip, nothing left to prove. 20 bossed up, corner store, not a throne. I'm still looking low, but my name carved in that stone. That's the dozen trap feds, still sniffing on my trail. Stash house booming loud, got scales that tip the scale. Mark 4 family, hold me down, loyalty's the code. I still be calling shots, me reload and then explode. Trapping through the pain, Kush smoke in my veins. Still stay on my hip, bands flipping every play. From trailers to the top, I'm dodging all the fakes. Catch me any day, still running all these fades.